హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? ఏం సంగతులు, బాగా చదువుతున్నారా? లేకపోతే టీవీ చూస్తూ ఉన్నారా? లేకపోతే మొబైల్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారా? ప్రతిరోజు కనీసం 1 అవర్ అయినా మీ 5 సబ్జెక్ట్స్లో ఏదో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నించండి. ఓకే, సబ్జెక్ట్లోకి వద్దాం. నౌ I want to discuss electronic payment system with you. First, here in this electronic payment system, first we know about the definition of the uses of electronic payment. What are the requirements of electronic payment system? What are the types, benefits, various types of transactions in this electronic payment system? What are those various security issues? So ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాము. ఫస్ట్, what is electronic payment system? An e-commerce payment system facilitates the acceptance of electronic payment for online transactions. This electronic payment system enables customer to pay for the goods and services online by using integrated hardware and software systems. This is also known as electronic data interchange. E-commerce payment system, that means electronic payment system, have become increasingly popular due to the widespread use of the internet-based shopping and banking. Electronic payment system enable a customer to pay for the goods and services online by using the integrated hardware and software system. An electronic payment is defined as a payment services that utilize ICT, includes cryptography and telecommunication network. Electronic transfer is very small but very grow. Electronic payment system increase efficiency and improve securities, enhance customer convenience and ease of use. Use of electronic payment system. చూడండి ఎలాగా ర్యాపిడ్ గా ఇప్పుడు యూసేజ్ ఎలా ఉన్నదో. 2010లో ఎలా ఉందో చూసారా, 2020లో ఎలా ఉందో చూసారా. ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్స్ in 2010 6%, in 2020 these electronic transfers are 15%. Cash usage is 34% in 2010. Cash usage is 25% in 2020. Usage of checks in 2010, that is 27%, in 2020 19%. Usage of debit cards in 2010 16%, now that is 24%. Usage of credit cards in 2010 17%, now that means in 2020 18%. What are the requirements of electronic payment system? Here, various factors that have led to the financial institutions to make use of electronic payments are reliability, atomicity. What is reliability? As in any other business activity, even in online payment methods, the user expects a reliable and an effective system. Any online payment system would fail despite of its advanced technological features if it fails to get the user's acceptance and pass their reliability test. In atomicity, this atomicity guarantees that Either the user's online payment transaction is completed or it does not take place at all. If the current online payment transaction fails, then it should be possible to recover the last stable state. This feature resembles the transaction database system in which either a transaction is committed or rolled back. These are the various types of electronic payment system: payment cards, e-cash, e-check and e-wallet. Payment cards. Here various types of payment cards. These payment cards are all types of plastic cards that consumers use to make purchases. These are credit cards, smart cards, debit cards. In smart cards, these smart cards are similar to a credit card. However, it contains an embedded 8-bit microprocessor and uses electronic cash which transfers from the consumer's card to the seller's device. Credit card, these are called as Visa or MasterCard. These cards has a preset spending limit based on the user's credit limit. In debit cards, these are removes the amount of the charges from the cardholder's account and transfer it to the seller's bank. How to accept the payment and what is the processing of this payment? Open and closed loop systems will accept and process payment cards. Acquiring bank is a bank that does business with merchants who want to accept payment cards. Software packaged with your electronic commerce software can handle payment card processing automatically. Here this is a process. Okay. What is the process of payment card? So here first, customer through internet, through merchant website. ఫస్ట్ కస్టమర్ నెట్ ద్వారా మర్చెంట్ వెబ్సైట్ మనం ఏదైతే కార్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో సో అది త్రూ మర్చెంట్ వెబ్సైట్ ద్వారా పేమెంట్ కార్డ్ ఆథరైజేషన్ కంపెనీ బ్యాంక్ ఇష్యూ చేసినది నెట్వర్క్ ద్వారా మర్చెంట్ బ్యాంక్ కి వెళ్తుంది. సో త్రూ కస్టమర్ త్రూ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఫ్రమ్ మర్చెంట్ వెబ్సైట్ this payment card authorization company, bank issuing this through this card via network, merchant bank receive. What are the advantages and disadvantages in these payment cards? Advantages of payment cards. Payment cards are good for online transactions. They have worldwide acceptance. These are provides fraud protection. What are the disadvantages of these payment cards? Payment card service companies charge merchants for transaction fees and monthly processing fees. Another type of electronic payment system is electronic cash. In this electronic cash, this is a general term that describes the attempts of several companies to create a value storage and exchange system that operates online in much the same way that government issue currency operate in the physical world. advantages about the electronic payment methods. These are privacy, security, independence, portability and convenience. E-cash processing. First, from customer to bank, after the bank to customer, that means consumers buys e-cash from bank, bank sends e-cash bits to consumer. Next, consumer sends e-cash to merchant, merchant checks with bank that e-cash is valid or not. Check forgery or fraud. After that, bank verifies that e-cash is valid. Parties complete their transaction. What are the advantages and disadvantages of e-cash? Advantages of e-cash. In these electronic cash transactions are more efficient and less costly than other methods. The distance that an electronic transaction must travel does not affect cost. What are the disadvantages? True electronic cash is not traceable. Money laundering is a problem. This electronic cash provides no audit trail. One more type of electronic payment system is electronic wallets. What is electronic wallets? This electronic wallet serves a function similar to a physical wallet. This electronic wallet holds credit cards, electronic cash, owner identification and owner contact information. It provides owner contact information at an electronic commerce site's checkout counter. Some of the electronic wallets contain address book also. Electronic wallets store shipping and billing information including a consumer's first and last names, street address, city, state, country and postal code. Electronic wallets makes shopping more efficient. These are fall into two categories based on where they are stored. One category is server-side electronic wallet. Another category is client-side electronic wallet. Some of the examples of electronic wallets are .NET Passport, Yahoo Wallet. These are the examples of electronic wallet. How to access e-wallets? First, user registration. After that, post job in workroom, see proposal, put money into e-wallet, accept job, approve payment request, release funds to project from wallet. So these are the various steps of accessing e-wallets. One more type of electronic payment system is e-check. E-check is a result of cooperation between several banks, government entities, technologies, companies and e-commerce organizations. These can be used for small and large organizations. So this diagram is e-check. How this e-check is working? First, invoice from payee to payer. Payer signed a check, that is payer signed check received payee. So after that, endorsed e-check from payee to acquirer. This e-check presentment is from acquirer to issuer. So after that, last step is here issuer. Between the issuer and payer, account statement is prepared, that is the substitution of e-check. What are the benefits of e-payment system? These benefits are also categorized in two ways. One is benefits to buyers, one is benefits to sellers. Benefits to buyers. First benefit is convenience of global acceptance, greater security, universal acceptance. These are the main benefits to buyers. In convenience of global acceptance benefits, the electronic payment methods provide a wide range of payment options and enhanced financial management tools through which individuals can pay for numerous different types of transactions ranging from parking payments to travel tickets, payments in foreign currency. In universal acceptance benefit to the buyers, here with electronic payment methods, payments can be made over the phone, on the internet and through the post and accepted anywhere. In greater security benefit, electronic payment system is safe and secure as it follows strict encrypted secure systems for making payments, keeping buyers' identity and details completely confidential and reduce liability for stolen or misused cards. One more benefit is that is consumer protection. In this consumer protection benefit, the electronic payment system provides additional insurance by facilitating disputes resolution in the case of unsatisfactory receipt of goods and services. In accessibility to immediate credit benefit, e-payment system allow consumers to transfer funds, purchase stock, and offer a variety of other services without having to handle physical cash. Using credit card, it is very easy to make payments. One more benefit is better control over payment. In this, electronic payment also provides the ability to control payment for goods and services over time by allowing buyers to pay at will whenever they want to have sufficient funds to make payments. In electronic payment system, how to benefit to seller. These are the following benefits to seller. Speed and security, reduces cost, efficiency. In the speed and security benefit to the seller, that is EPS ensured faster processing of transaction from verification and authorization to clearing and settlement. It reduces the visibility of information. It reduces cost benefit. This EPS provides companies freedom from more costly labor, materials and accounting services that are required in paper-based processing. In last benefit is that is to sellers, that is it leads to better management of cash flow, inventory and financial planning due to swift bank payment. What are the various types of transaction in electronic payment system? Here these are the various types of transaction. A one-time customer to vendor payment, recurring customer to vendor payment, automatic bank to vendor payment. In one-time customer to vendor payment, it is used, this type of transaction is used when you shop online at an e-commerce site such as Amazon. In recurring customer to vendor payment, this type of transaction is used when you pay a bill through a regularly scheduled direct debit from your checking account or an automatic charge to your credit card. In automatic bank to vendor payment transaction, your bank offers a service called online bill pay. So these are the various transactions in electronic payment system. How to provide security? What are the various issues of security in electronic payment system? Authentication, integrity, non-repudiation, privacy and safety. What are the advantages and disadvantages of electronic payment system? Advantages are reduced transaction cost, increased sales, increased speed and convenience. Disadvantages are disputed transaction, security concerns. Okay, thank you friends, thank you students. సో ఇది బేస్ చేసుకొని మీరు నెట్లో సర్చ్ చేసి ఈ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ పేమెంట్ సిస్టమ్కి సంబంధించి ఒక నోట్స్గా ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. సో చేశాక సారీ నేను ఎప్పుడైతే అసైన్మెంట్ పెడుతున్నానో అసైన్మెంట్కి అందరూ ఇమీడియట్గా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. అందరూ రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.